rust. It's the arch nemesis of every restorer, fabricator, and wrench turner who's ever brought an old vehicle back to life. We've scraped it, sanded it, blasted it. But what if there's a better way?
And it's coming to our shop this week.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Allsop & Sons Garage. If you love turning rusted relics or abused exotics into rolling works of art, you're in the right place. And today, we're diving into one of the most exciting upgrades this shop has seen. We just pulled the trigger on something serious. A 1500 watt laser rust remover from a company called AccTek. It's called the AKQ-1500. It ships from China, and it's landing here in just a few days. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around for what's coming.
So let's break it down. Laser rust removal, also known as laser ablation, uses a high-powered beam of light to vaporize rust, paint, and even corrosion without damaging the metal underneath. Unlike sandblasting, there's no media involved, no grit, no dust clouds, just precision, controlled laser energy that heats up the rust, causes it to break its bond, and then literally evaporates it into the air.
It's clean, it's quiet, and it's something we think will completely change the game for how we tackle our restorations, whether it's frames, body panels, or detailed engine parts. Now you might be wondering, why AccTek? After months of research, reviews, and even some direct conversations with their support team, we decided the AKQ-1500 was the sweet spot. It has continuous wave output, adjustable power up to 1500 watts, water cooling system, and configurable lens angles for different surfaces. It's powerful enough for real restoration work, not just demo videos, and it's backed by solid specs and a company that actually responds to questions. If you've been hunting for a legit vendor with reasonable pricing, AccTek deserves a look. And no, we weren't sponsored by them.
So here's what we're going to do. We're going to put this machine to the test, first on some heavily rusted parts from our 1957 F100 build, then maybe some intricate aluminum pieces. Maybe even the frame, engine, and transmission. Year, we're going all in.
We want to know, how clean can it get? How fast is it? And does it live up to the hype? In our next video, we'll be unboxing the AKQ-1500 the moment it arrives, from crate to calibration. You'll see what's included, how to set it up, and how it works on real parts in a real garage. We'll also give you a real, honest review. No fluff, no sponsorship bias, just the facts. And maybe a few sparks along the way. So if you're curious about whether laser rust removal is worth it, or just want to geek out with us as we test out cutting-edge gear, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, and stay tuned.